Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading lots of videos of my cooking. Thank you so much.
An orange bill, I guess it is, and the sound of his wings. I wonder if you'll jump up and have a look at the and he looks around. God, he's hungry, isn't he? He's a big bird. It's bigger than the crow. That's quite good footage. Some editing to do. He's got those white patches on his neck, so when he looks up, they look like eyes, and it will startle a predator, or confuse a predator that he's bigger than he really is. Got those white flight feathers. There's a magpie down there. I wonder if he's been up here. Uh-oh, and a pigeon. I can see the pigeon. There's a big block of bread. I put that down there. Gone. Dang. Well, there's some footage anyway. That was a magpie. Seems to be quite good. I'll leave that.